How to create a subdomain in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will see this page. In the Domains section, click on the Subdomains icon. Under the Create a Subdomain, select the domain in which you need to add a subdomain to it. Enter the subdomain. For example, engagebranding2022.blog.uk. When you enter the subdomain and click on Document Root, cPanel automatically populates the document root. Click on the Create button. That's it, you have successfully created a subdomain in cPanel. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.